These are Nacho ordinary fog lights. Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're checking out Nacho Off-Road Lighting's SAE fog light kits designed for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL and the 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JT. These kits are designed to give you a quick and easy upgrade for both improved visibility, both on and off-road, and a bit of added style for the front of your Wrangler or Gladiator. Now, these SAE kits are available in a couple of different configurations for you to choose from. You have your option of two different lens options, either the amber, like I have with me here, or the clear lens option, which is installed on the front of my Jeep. Within both of those lens options, there are adapters available for the plastic front bumper or a slightly different bracket to give you a direct bolt in to the factory 3-piece stamped steel front bumper. So make sure you pick the appropriate kit to fit your factory front bumper or your aftermarket bumper. You might want to check with those to see which style fog light bracket you'll need to get these installed. And then you can select whichever lens color fits your style. Now, these SAE fog light kits are built using the same great Quattro housing, giving you a robust lens that's sealed to a heavy-duty die-cast aluminum housing to protect these lights from any dust or water ingress. On the backside, you'll see we've got a great heavy-duty electrical connection on the backside of the light there that ends up in a factory style plug-and-play connector that will plug directly into your factory fog light wiring found in your bumper. And the second connector, which is designed to plug into the included harness, designed to activate the trail running light option. Now, that is a low power output of the light that you can wire right into the fuse box of your Wrangler or Gladiator to come on with your other daytime running lights in your vehicle for added styling and increased visibility when you're on the road or out on the trail in low light conditions. This wiring harness you see features the weather pack style connectors that plug into the fog lights, and on the opposite end we have a simple fuse tap that'll plug right into your vehicle's fuse box for an easy and painless installation. Now, speaking of that install, getting these lights installed is as easy as getting them mounted into the appropriate brackets first, and then on the stamped steel bumper from the factory, we can easily access the two mounting bolts on the back side of the bumper. After unplugging the light, we can remove the factory fog light and then simply install the new Quattro SAE fog light in its place, plugging in that factory connection along with that TRL light option wiring harness. Now, on the factory plastic bumper, your install just has a few additional steps. We need to start by removing that plastic shield on the back side of the bumper by popping off those clips holding it into place. With those removed, we have 4 7mm bolts holding those factory fog lights in place. We can remove those bolts, disconnect the factory fog light, and again, we'll swap in the new Nacho Off-Road Lighting SAE fog light with the bracket, plugging in that factory connector along with the TRL harness. Wrapping up the install, we simply need to make that connection at the vehicle's fuse box. Now, it's just that easy to get some increased visibility and added style in the front of your Wrangler or Gladiator with the Nacho Off-Road Lighting SAE fog lights. Now, because these are SAE approved, that means they are legal for use on the road. And of course, they'll give you much better visibility out on the trail. As you can see here, even with the factory LED option, these lights definitely give you a boost of light output. In fact, these lights come in drawing 60 watts of power, which translates to 4,200 raw lumens of light output, or 2,800 effective lumens, which translates to 28,000 candela. A definite boost over even those factory LED fog light options. Now, if you want to find out more information or to purchase a set of Nacho Off-Road Lighting SAE Quattro fog lights for your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL or your 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JT equipped with either the plastic or the factory stamped steel bumper, you can click that info button to head over to quadratec.com. Now, if you're looking for even more light output, you'll want to stay tuned and check out our video on the Nacho Grande lights. If you like these videos and you haven't already, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification icon so you're sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.